From the chapter Crime and Punishment, reported speech usually comes for the exam. In the page 155, you can see activity 1. I have written the answers there. Let us see what are the changes. You can see I have highlighted the words that change in the second sentence, means in the direct speech. Look at this paragraph from the story. His parents said that the boy was a little angel, all dimples, smiles, and sweetness, only wings lacking. He was their only child. They had abundant affection and ample money. In the above paragraph, the words spoken by the parents are merely reported, that is, indirect speech. Write in direct speech. Answer. His parents said, comma, starting inverted comma, he is a, then starts with capital letter, he is a little angel, all dimples, smiles and sweetness, only wings lacking. He is our only child. We have abundant affection and ample money. Quotation closes and full stop. Now discuss in groups the difference that you notice between direct and indirect speech and write down your findings. What are the changes? The boy became our boy. Was became is. There became our. They became we. The word that is left out in the direct speech. These are the main differences you can see between these two sentences. Here I have taken the rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. Let us see with an example. Direct and indirect speech. The word speech means whatever we speak or write. Speaking or writing the words of another person can be done in two ways. Direct speech. Example. Aman said, I am ill today. In this sentence, the words of the speaker, that is, I am ill today, are quoted within inverted comma. This is direct speech. The sentence within this quotation is called reported speech. What is the indirect speech of that sentence? Aman said that he was ill that day. In the above sentence, we have reported what the speaker said, that is, he was ill that day, without quoting the exact words. This is called indirect speech. Let us see what are the rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. First one, comma and quotations. Both are removed. Second one, the reporting verb is changed according to different sentences. Here in this example, the reporting verb is said. Sometimes it may be changed depending upon the some sentences. If interrogative sentences are coming there, we can add instead of said, asked, like that. Then conjunction is used. Conjunction is that. It is used here in the indirect speech. Then the pronoun is changed. In this example, you can see Aman said that he was ill that day. So instead of I, it is he is used. Then fifth one, the verb is changed. In the first sentence, we can see I am ill today. Verb is am. In the indirect speech, he was ill that day. Am became was, that is past tense. Then words expressing nearness are changed into words expressing distance. Example, today became that day. Again moving on, let us see what are the rules for change in tenses. In the first two examples, reporting verbs are in the present tense. So there isn't change in the tense within the quotation. Same way, in the third example, the question is in future tense so that there isn't change in the tense form within the quotation. What is the rule for that? If reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. Example is, I say Reena is a student. In the indirect speech, I say that Reena is a student. Reena is. In the indirect speech also it is the same tense form is used. He says she is a nurse. He says that she is a nurse. And in the third sentence, I shall say Ayush is a doctor. I shall say that Ayush is a doctor. By moving on, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the reporting sentence will change as under. Simple present changes into simple past. Example, he said Sandhya sings a nice song. In the indirect speech, he said that Sandhya sang a nice song. Sings became sang. Next rule, present continuous changes into past continuous. Direct speech, he said the girls are picking flowers. The verb here is are picking. In the indirect speech, he said that the girls were picking flowers. Are picking became were picking. Next rule, present perfect changes into past perfect. Direct speech, father said to me, it has been raining since morning. In the indirect speech, father told me that it had been raining since morning. Has been raining became had been raining. Then simple past changes into past perfect. Example, I said to him they enjoyed the magic show. In indirect speech, I told him that they had enjoyed the magic show. Enjoyed became had enjoyed. Again moving on, past perfect and past perfect continuous are not changed. Example, direct, he said he had not seen the Taj before. In indirect speech, she said that she had not seen the Taj before. Had not seen, had not seen. Then, shall and will of future tense become should or would. Direct, I said to her, I shall help Sagar. Indirect, I told her that I should or would help Sagar. All present tense change into their corresponding past forms. Is, am become was, can become could, are becomes were, may becomes might, has, have become had, was, were become had been. That's all.